Hello guys, welcome to Google Cloud Arcade 2026. As you know, the Facilitator program has already been started and today is the last date only. So let me get you through the registration process. First, let me tell you briefly about the program. The Google Cloud Arcade is a gamified cloud learning program designed to help learners build real hands-on Google Cloud skills through guided labs, games and challenges. And they're too completely free. This program is not just about checks, although it is. It is about building real cloud skills, learning, doing, experimenting safely, preparing for future certifications, growing consistently across the year. So now let me show you how to register for the program.
I see the stars and the planets soon follow. Expect to have the universe by tomorrow. Just sit back and relax, don't worry. The world can wait, no need to hurry. Getting harder to stay in control, but perfection is my only goal. Have to fight it 'cause I won't go back. I'd rather see the whole world go back to black. But then I'm blinded by this light from nowhere. This blue planet with life and an atmosphere. I look closer and I can't believe what I'm seeing down there is me. What if it's me looking down on me? The world above must also be. This could go on forever.